welcome to YoLabs. Today, we will learn how to create a reaction game. Look here. So we will be creating this game. The game is about what? You click to start and then wait till the green screen comes. And the moment green screen is there, I have to click it. And I took 393 milliseconds to react, right? Now, let me check. Can I do better this time? Tap to start. Wait till green screen comes. Wait. Done. Oh my God, I did it bad. So that's all about it. Now this game can be created in code.org, can be created in Scratch, can be created in Python, can be created in JavaScript. Before starting, let me show you. There is a website that does exactly same thing. I'll click here and I have got this idea from there only. So wait for green. Okay, this time I did slow. Let me do it again. Wait for green, wait for green, wait for green, wait for done. Right? Wait for green, wait for green, wait for green. Okay, 279 milliseconds. So how we will create this thing? Let's go ahead and do it. Now in the app lab, the very first thing is, as you can see, there are three things: code, design, and data. We will be using two tabs, design and code. Go to design, and first thing is my first screen. Let's give it a color of whatever color you like. Let's give it a blue color. Okay. So this is good enough. Yes. Now let's write something here. So first thing is what we want to write. Say tap to start. Right? So say tap to start. This should be big. So change the font where it is 15. Let's write here 40 and see it has become good enough. And let's see everything is done. Now this thing I will make partially transparent. That is my style. You can choose your own style. Generally, I do that way. My things looks a little bit nice, but still they have the difference is whatever is required, right? So now this is tap to start and it is in the center. Now I want to write some instructions. So again, for the instructions, when I want to write, I don't want to have the background. So background I'll make fully transparent, and then the text color should be light color. So whatever I write, I can see, and I will start writing here. One, I will say tap to start the game. Number two, while screen is red. And last thing, ASAP when screen turns green. Okay. Right. So these are my instructions. Let the instruction be here. This is my screen one. Remember. Now, after that, we will go very fast. If I want to do screen two, I will go here. I will say duplicate. So my first screen has been duplicated. Now let me go to the screen two. Screen two color should be red. So I will go quickly here and I will make it red. So this part is done, right? And here what I should write, wait. These instructions are not required, so I'm deleting from here. So wait till green can come in center, and then I will duplicate one more thing. This time I will, this is my screen three, and here what I will say, I'll say click now. Okay? And so this is the time they should click. This screen should be a what color? Let's make it green, because whenever we are saying whenever it is green, we have to click. And duplicate one more thing. There what we will do, this is my screen 4. In screen 4, what we will do, screen 4, I will put my result. So my result, let's say I will be putting it here. There I will be showing things in the milliseconds. So click now, I can delete. And rather than, I can put one thing where I can say tap to replay. This is all about my design. I have created 4 screens. Let me show you screen number 1, which gives me the instructions and how to start, when to start. Screen number 2, which says very clearly, wait till green. Screen number 3, which converts it into the green, and screen number 4, which says button not required. The button, I will be changing whatever text is written in the button. Here some text will come in the millisecond. Right now, let's say you did it super fast, so 35 milliseconds was, right? And if you want to say, so you can say your reaction time, right? So let's say your EACT reaction time. It's about the design. So design first, I will do very simple design. There I will do nothing. If I'll say, if I tap on screen 1, I should go to screen 2. If I tap on screen 2, I should go to screen 3. So I will use this thing. I will say when event, I click on screen 1. What should happen? Set screen to screen 2. It should be screen 4. And if I tap on screen 4, it should take me to the screen 1. Let's see it is working fine or not. Run. Tap screen 2, tap screen 3, tap screen 4, tap screen 1. So everything I put in the cycle. Now, as per my logic, I will be changing something. First, tap to start. So if I am on the screen 1 and if I tap, I will go to screen 2. That's good enough. So till now it is fine. After going there, I need to wait for some time, right? And this time should be random. Otherwise, there will be a problem. So let's go to control. There you set a timeout, right? And this timeout I will set random. So I will go to maths. From the maths, I will pick a random number. Remember, these things are in milliseconds. So I'm writing 4,000 to 8,000. That means it will ask you to wait from 4 seconds to 8 seconds. Now you can decide what you want to do there. Now comes the next thing. What is the next thing? Is what should happen after this time? This thing should happen. I should go to screen 3. Okay. But the screen 3 going is fine. After going to the screen 3, what should happen? Right? So I should never click on the screen 2. So screen 2 clicking is not required. So this portion is not required. Okay. So should I click on screen 3? Yes. The moment I click on screen 3, what should happen? It should note down the time. And whenever the screen 3 comes, it should note down the time. So I need 2 variables. Let's create the 2 variables quickly, right? So here I will create my variable 1 time. Here I will create it 1 more time. This variable I will call start time. This variable I will call and time. Clear? Now I have to do a very little thing, which is, so whenever something is starting, right? So this thing is starting here. What I will say, this is the time. Please say start time equal to whatever time is there that time. How you get that time? You get that time by just putting get time into that. And in the same way, how you get your end time is again same thing. You go to variables. Let's pick this variable, put it here before changing your screen. Let's say this thing I will call end time, and in end time what I will say, this is again my get time. So whatever time is there, that time it should take. And now what I will do, I will do a simple maths. The simple maths is what? I will create a new variable here, and because this variable I will be using here, so here itself it is fine. I will say time to react. Time to react, I will call it TTR. TTR is nothing but time to react, right? So I will say time to react, and what I will do in this time to react, here I have done a spelling mistake. Let me correct this, right? So one warning has gone. TTR warning will be, I am not using it anywhere, so that anyways we will use. So in the TTR, I will go to the maths. In the maths, I will bring this minus, and then I will say end time minus start time. So I have end time minus start time. Now what I will do with this end time minus start time, I want this time to go somewhere. Where it should go? Remember, go to design, look here, screen number 4. I created this area. This thing is called button 5, where it should change. What it should change? I will go here, find something and say set text. Can you find anywhere set text? Yes, I found the set text here. In the set text, what I will say, set text of what? Button 5. In button 5, what should be the text? Text should be, I will be saying TTR, which is time to react, plus my unit of the time, which is milliseconds. Right? And millisecond should have some space. So this is done. And now I have reached till here and set screen 4. Now what happens if I'm on the screen 4 and if I want to restart, what should I do? Where should I go? I can go to screen 1 or I can go to screen 2. Yes. So this whole thing should come here. Right? And before that, let's do this thing. Set screen to screen 2, set timeout function. Again, the timeout function will start working. Start time equal to get time. Start screen 3. Random 4000, 8000 and all the things, right? So that's all. Let's play and check it is working or not. Run. Okay, working. And yes. 420 milliseconds. If I tap again, I wish to rate things. Wait till green, and yes, 481 milliseconds. So I'm getting this. That's all about my reaction game, right? Thank you very much. If you don't want it to be, super complex, you can do this thing where you are not putting this thing, rather than you are putting here screen 1. So it will start from the screen 1. Now it is a bit simpler for you, right?